Hello, the students. My name is Bankeshwar Panigrahi, faculty, BCA department, Chekiti Mahavidyalaya. So today we are going to discuss a new topic about LAN characteristics. Or we can say it local area networks characteristics. So first we may go through the what is a LAN and what are the functions and what are the characteristics and what are the equipments are used to establish a LAN connection. So first we may discuss about what is LAN. So the full form of LAN is local area network. It is a network type. Basically it is used in within an organization or within a building or within a college campus, etc. So here the definition is given. The local area network is localized computer network used for communication between host systems in LAN. Each device shared the same IP address scheme. That means all the systems which are interconnected in the form of LAN connection, they use or they share the same IP address by all the systems. So for example, if we are using a network, this is network address 172.16.0.0/24, then all the IP devices, computers, printers, IP phones, etc. have the IP from same network range. So the next point is you can provide different services like document management, application software sharing, printer sharing, scanner sharing, work group scheduling, email and fax communications, and other VoIP and unified communications. That means by using the LAN connection, there's all types of services like resource sharing, different type of software application sharings, printer sharings, scanner sharings, mail sending. These all are possible in case of LAN connection. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic representation of LAN connection. That means local area network connection. So basically the LAN connection is applicable within 1 to 2 kilometer geographical areas where using the LAN cables or LAN connections. In case of LAN connection, the cost of communication to transmit data is very low, and here in case of LAN communication, the transmission speed is much higher than the other WAN connections. The LAN connections the computers and the other devices are physically connected either through the twisted pair wire, coaxial cables, or fiber optic cables. So these are the characteristics of LAN. So though it is used as a local network, that means within a certain area or within a certain range of area we are using the local area network or LAN connection. That's why it is also called as a private network. So an outside regulatory body never controls it. That means an outsider does not access our LAN connections easily, and the LAN operates at a relatively higher speed compared to other WAN systems, as I have told you. So there are various kinds of media access control methods like token ring and Ethernet systems are used in case of LAN network, and the coverage area is generally a few kilometers. And the next is a LAN usually has low cost installation and maintenance is relatively simple and good scalability. So this is all about the characteristics of local area network. So next is functions of local area network. So the computer resources like the hard disks, DVD-ROM, printers, and different types of messages we can share on the local area networks. So this significantly reduces the cost of hardware purchases, because we are using a single hard disk or DVD-ROM or printers by different systems, in case of LAN connection. That's why it reduces the cost of hardware purchases. We can use the same software over the network instead of purchasing the licensed software for each client in the network. Okay. So next is data of all network users can be stored on a single hard disk, the server computer. That means all the systems are interconnected and controlled by a single system that is called as the server computer, and all the data of each and individual computers are stored inside the one computer hard disk that is called as the server computer. Okay. So next point is you can easily transfer data and messages over networked computers. So next is It will be easy to manage data at only one place, which makes data more secure, because all the data of each and individual computers, we can store it in one single computer hard disk, that is known as the server computer. That's why if we are found some errors over any data, we can easily recover it by accessing the hard disk of the server computer. Okay. So next point is, local area network offers the facility to share a single internet connection among all the LAN users. That means a single LAN connection is shared by different systems or computers which are interconnected with each other in case of LAN network. So these are the functions of LAN connections or LAN network. Okay. So next we may go to the what are the hardware components or equipments used for creating a LAN network. So the basic device used for creating a local area network is switch, which is used to connecting the different nodes among each other. That means when we are using the multiple devices in our LAN connection, then we have to use a switch which is used for connecting the different devices among each other. So there are two ways for connecting the device with a LAN, that is physically wired cables using connectors. That connector is known as RJ45 connector. This is the name. Or another way is there, that is by the wireless medium connection or wireless LAN. Okay. So a local area network may also consist of both the RJ45 connector and also wireless LAN technique or facilities. It depends upon the number of nodes in LAN, functionality and complexity. Multiple switches and a router might be required. The other devices for LAN includes servers and routers. So routers are used for connecting different LANs, or used for enabling different services within the LAN. For providing the different services and application access, we used servers with the LAN connection. So another function is there, that is the transmission speed of LAN is much higher. It is about 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and it is vary speed in comparison to different wide area networks or WANs, and here the possibility of error for LAN network is minimum. Okay, so this is all about the LAN network, that is what is LAN, and this is the diagrammatic representation of local area networks. So more than one computers are interconnected by the help of LAN network or local area network, and they are interconnected to sharing some informations, resources among themselves, or communication is going on between the different nodes or systems. So this is the characteristics of LAN, and this is some functions of LANs and the hardware equipments used for creating a LAN. So what are the two types of LAN connections are there? One is physically wired cables and second one is wireless LAN. Okay, so this is all about the local area network characteristics, functions and their connections. Okay, so thank you.